Hello YouTube, here's another video with the Luminator. I just want to show you a quick video of my EDC for today. So I want to start off with gloves, which is boring, but I carry gloves because I'm a germaphobe. So sue me if you don't like that. But anyways, here's a little EDC bag pouch that I got on Amazon. You carry all this stuff that I have right here. I carry it in here, and it carries it pretty good. It holds it down pretty good. So yeah, I just want to show you guys. I'll leave a link on the bottom if you guys are interested in it. Got it from Amazon for like $13. The Molly Web. It's pretty good. I recommend it. Then I got Trust Fire. Also got from Amazon. It was on sale for I believe it was $27 out the door with tax. And then I have my Kershaw. It's nothing special, but does the job. And I got this Milwaukee permanent marker, Sharpie kind of. With this Streamlight Stylus Pro. And then I have torch, because you never know. Just never know. They're gonna need it for something. Then I got the Leatherman. I believe it's the Rev. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's the. Yeah, there you go, the Rev. It's okay. For $50, what can you expect? Then I got a can of Peppers gel. Anybody messes with me, they're gonna regret it. And last but not least, I have a Roxxon pair of scissors, multi-tool. It's pretty good. So leave me a comment if you want any links to anything that you see right here, and I will gladly show you the link. Well, that's it for now. You all have a good night, and God bless.